Dear student, today I will show you that how to find out the factors of different numbers. Some example, suppose I am taking some examples. 32. You have to find out the factors of 32. You have to find out all the factors of 32. Now 32, how you can write 32 in the form of product of two numbers. 32 you can write in the form of two, first 1 into 32 you can write, then 32 you can write. 32 if you divide by 6, divide by 2, then you will get 16. 32 by 3 you cannot divide 4. 4 into 8, 32. 4 into 8, 32. And any other way you can write? No. Any other way you cannot write. Now, factors of 32, you have to write factors of 32. Now, arrange in ascending order 1, 2, 4, then 8, 16, 32. 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. So, this way, if you express the number in the form of product of two number, and after that if you write all the numbers, these all numbers in ascending order, then you will get factors, all the factors of the given number. Now another one, suppose 48. 48, I am writing 48, a number. Now 48, you can write 1 into 48. 48 you can write 2 into 24. 48 you can write 3 into 16. 48 you can write 4 into 12. 48 you can write 6 into 8. So this way, these are the ways you can write 48. Now factors of 48, factors of 48 will be 1, 2, this way you arrange 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, then 8, 12, 8, 12, 16, 24, 48. So this way all the factors you will get. There will not be the possibility to leave at least one factor. Okay, all the factors you can get if you express the number in the form of product of two numbers. Suppose 72. You have to find out the factors of 72. Now 72, 1 into 72. 72 you can write 2 into 36. 72 you can write 3 into 24. 72 you can write 4 into 1, 3 to 18. 72 you can write 6 into 12. 72 you can write 8 into 9. So this way. So what are the factors of 72? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 9, 12, 18, 24, 36 and 72. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 factors are there. So these way all the factors of a given number easily you can find out. So to find out the factors of all the factors of a given number, what to do? First, you express the number in the form of product of two numbers. Product of two numbers. For this, you can use the multiplication table. Suppose when you are dividing by 3, you are getting 24. So divisor and quotient. Or you divide and then you write. Sometimes you can use the multiplication table, and sometimes you have to divide by some number and another number you will get. So division as well as multiplication, multiplication table or multiplication, both are required here. Now after expressing then you arrange these all numbers you have to arrange in ascending order, then you will get all the factors of the given number. Now what? Now that even and odd number, even and odd numbers, the numbers which you can divide by 2, the number which is divisible by 2 are even, the number which is not divisible by 2 are odd. So which all number are divisible by 2? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. So this way, if you increase by 2, all the numbers are divisible by 2. So what you will find? So if there is 0 or 2 or 4 or 6 or 8 in unit place or one place, if there is 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8, if there is 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8, suppose 3, 2, 9, 4, 4 is there, 5, 7, 3, 0, 0 is there. So this one place or unit place, if you find there is 0 or 2 or 4 or 6 or 8, then the number will be divisible by 2, and the number will be even number, and the number will be even number. So to find out the even number, what to do? What to see? Unit place. The digit in the unit place you have to see, is there 0 or 2 or 4 or 6 or 8. If no any other digit is there, any other digit is there, then that will not be the even number, odd number. In case of odd number, 1, 3, 5, odd number, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13. So this way you will get all the odd numbers. So in case of odd numbers, you will find that last digit or unit digit will be either 1 or 3 or 5 or 7 or 9. So if one place either 1 or 3 or 5 or 7 or 9, then the number will be odd number. Suppose 3, 7, 9, 5, odd number. 2, 9, 7, 3, odd number. 8, 7, 3, 1, odd number. Okay, so if you find 1, 3, 5, 7 or 9 in the unit place, always the number will be odd number. Always the number will be odd number. And if you find that digit in the digit in one place, either 0 or 2 or 4 or 6 or 8, then the number will be even number. So this is the way to find out odd number and even number. Now you will get that prime number and composite number. Prime number means the numbers which has only two factors. Suppose 2, 1 and 2, 3, 1 and 3, 5, 1 and 5, and 7, 1 and 7, 11, 1 and 11, 19, 1 and 19. No other factor you will get except 1 and the number. Except 1 and number, you will not get any other factor. If the number like this, only two factor, having only two factors, then the number will be prime number. Then the number will be prime number. Otherwise, the number will be composite number. Only 1 having only one factor 1, so 1 is neither the prime nor composite, so 1 we will exclude. From 2 we will count 2 only the prime number, and that is the even prime number and the smallest prime number, and rest all are odd number, and smallest composite number will be 4. Smallest composite number will be 4. So if you find that only two factors are there of a number, that number will be prime number, and if you see that there are more than two factors, then the number will be composite number. And you have to keep in your mind, 1 is neither prime nor composite, because 1 only has one factor, that is 1. At least two factors must be there in case of prime number, 1 and the number itself. So today up to this. Thank you all the students.